In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink toner of your Pantum M6559NW printer. To replace the ink toner, lift it from here. Once you hear a sound, that means it is locked. Now lift this section up and attach it on the top. Ink toner is there, you just have to place your hand and slide it out. Take your new ink toner, remove this seal, pull this ribbon out, and then just place it here. Make sure the handle is facing up and the ruler is facing just at the back side. So slide it here and press it down. Now you can close this, press it down, and then close this door. Wait for the printer to work on the ink toner, and then we are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.